What's up, YouTube? So, about to go on a night ride today and dug it out, riding. So, do some little bit of riding. I ain't been riding lately, like that. So, I'm gonna be doing that. Yeah, bike riding at night. So, guys, tune in. More videos to come. And yeah, more shorts come too. I'll be doing a lot of shorts than videos, if you guys could tell and everything. I know that thing be blowing y'all up every day, but yeah, more videos to come. My Red Bull hat, yeah, I had got that, but here we go. Trying this new angle out, guys. You know what? I never paid attention to Florida wind until I got a bike. One thing about it though is definitely freaking for a tune-up on this bike. It is bad. We riding on the wrong side of the road. Crazy part is I got gravel wheels on because Florida roads, well, not Florida roads, Pompano roads, trash. Yeah. I think my wheels is like a 32, 732 feet, I think. But yeah, I had to get some rubber wheels though, because if I didn't, my other wheels would be fucked. Messed up. Crazy though. It feels so good. Going over bumps and cracks. They're like hybrids. Not all full gravel, but hybrids. So they mold for the road. So they sidewalks. So that's what you need the sidewalks. Driving a bike right beside the beach, a road bike, it's gonna slow you down. Literally, bro.